Okay, I just managed to open this Kruger gun lock that came with my Mini 14 without using the key. This is the key. Okay. This is the easy way to open it. Now let's do it a slightly harder way. I only managed to do this once, but it went fairly quickly, so I shall try to do it again. I might have to fast forward this bit because it could just been me being lucky first time. It's proper locked now. Okay, let's try this. Alright, and that's how hard it is. This was my second try. First try I succeeded as well. So I dedicate this Kruger gun lock unlocking video to Fat Ogre. Fuck these things, they are worthless.